Looking for a compact tool that makes every DIY task easier? Best cordless rechargeable screwdriver options can transform your workflow with speed and convenience. Get ready to explore powerful, portable choices designed to deliver effortless tightening, loosening, and precision for everyday projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. SKIL Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver. The SKIL Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a compact yet highly functional tool for home improvement tasks. One of its standout features is the pivoting head, which locks into 3 different positions: 0 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and 45 degrees. This is particularly useful for working in cramped or angled spaces where a straight tool wouldn't fit. Combined with the lock-off mechanism, it gives you full control and stability during use. The 3-level torque setting control allows you to adjust power based on the type of project, making it suitable for everything from assembling furniture to handling smaller, more delicate tasks. The forward and reverse trigger button is conveniently placed for one-finger operation, which makes the workflow smooth and effortless. Another major advantage is the built-in LED light that illuminates dark or shadowy work areas, great for working behind cabinets or in low-light rooms. SKIL also incorporates an integrated battery that charges via USB-C, adding convenience and modern compatibility. You don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries, which saves both time and cost. The 4V kit comes fully equipped with a screwdriver, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a 28-piece bit set stored in plastic case. This gives users a wide range of bits for different screw types, making it an all-in-one solution right out of the box. Overall, the SKIL Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver delivers a reliable, comfortable, and user-friendly experience, perfect for DIYers and homeowners who want convenience and versatility in one compact package. Number 2. DEWALT Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver. The DEWALT Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver is engineered for users who demand professional-grade performance from a compact tool. What makes this model unique is the FlexDrive collar, offering true 360 degrees slide-to-drive control. Rather than relying on traditional buttons, you can effortlessly operate the screwdriver with fluid precision, making it ideal for fast-paced assembly tasks. Power is another area where this tool shines. With up to 44 nlbs, 5 Nm of powered torque, it's strong enough for most moderate-duty applications, and when you need extra tightening force, the manual finishing capability reaches up to 124 nlbs, 14 Nm. This dual-function design gives you both speed and fine control. The cordless motor offers up to 360 revolutions per minute, letting you fasten screws quickly and efficiently while maintaining smooth operation. The integrated 2Ah battery is impressive as well, delivering up to 680 screws per charge, perfect for contractors, technicians, or heavy daily users. You can work longer without worrying about interruptions. Another notable feature is the 6-stage torque adjustment system, allowing the user to match the power precisely to the application. This prevents stripping screws, damaging materials, or applying unnecessary force. Built with DEWALT's signature durability, the screwdriver feels solid in the hand, offering a firm grip and balanced weight distribution. Number 3. SKIL SD56180 Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver. The SKIL SD56180 Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver is designed with simplicity and reliability in mind, making it ideal for everyday household tasks and small DIY projects. Its compact design and straightforward operation allow beginners and experienced users alike to handle quick repairs with ease. Whether you're tightening cabinet hinges, assembling furniture, or mounting home accessories, this screwdriver performs consistently well. One of its most beneficial qualities is its ability to fit into tight, awkward spaces. The slim, ergonomic design makes maneuvering the tool effortless, helping you reach areas standard screwdrivers struggle with. The power screwdriver shape includes a comfortable grip and an easy-to-control 2-finger trigger, ensuring precision without strain during extended use. The built-in lithium-ion battery maintains its charge for long periods, so the tool is always ready when needed. This eliminates the frustration of finding your tool dead in the middle of a quick repair. Charging is also convenient thanks to its micro USB compatibility, allowing you to power it up with common chargers or power banks. Although compact, the screwdriver delivers enough torque for most everyday tasks, making it a great alternative to bulky power drills when you just need something simple and effective. The lightweight form factor reduces fatigue, which is particularly helpful for repetitive work or overhead tasks. In terms of practicality, it's an ideal tool to keep in a kitchen drawer, office, workshop, or even carry during travel for on-the-spot repairs. Number 4. SKIL SD5619-01 Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver. The SKIL SD5619-01 Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver offers a thoughtful combination of ergonomic design, convenience, and performance. Much like other SKIL models, it includes a pivoting head that locks into 3 positions, 0 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and 45 degree, allowing users to comfortably access tight or angled spaces. This gives it an advantage over fixed-handle screwdrivers, making it more adaptable for different working environments, such as behind appliances or within shelving units. The tool includes a forward and reverse trigger button placed for smooth, one-finger operation. This simple yet effective design makes tasks like tightening and loosening screws quicker and more effortless. With 3 torque settings available, you can adjust the power output depending on the application, ensuring appropriate force is applied to delicate or heavy-duty materials alike. A built-in LED light is another useful feature, providing added visibility when working in dimly lit rooms, under cabinets, or during nighttime repairs. The screwdriver is powered by an integrated 4V battery that charges via USB-C, making it modern, convenient, and compatible with everyday charging accessories. The kit includes the electric screwdriver, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and a 2-piece bit set with 2 2-inch bits. While the bit set is minimal, it covers common screw types and gives users immediate usability right out of the box. The SD5619-01 stands out for its compactness, comfort, and adaptability, making it an ideal choice for DIY beginners, homeowners, or casual users who need a reliable screwdriver for light to medium household tasks. Number 5. PACOVY Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver. The PACOVY Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver is a powerful and well-rounded tool designed for users who need versatility and precision in one portable kit. Equipped with a high-speed motor, it provides consistent torque suitable for a wide range of tasks, from assembling furniture to repairing electronics. The soft grip trigger allows precise speed control, giving you the sensitivity needed for delicate work such as laptop repairs, toy fixes, or small appliance adjustments. One of its standout advantages is the included 36-piece S2 steel bit set. These bits are made from premium alloy steel, known for its durability and resistance to wear. The variety of bit types, including Phillips, slotted, hex, and Torx, makes the screwdriver ideal for users who often switch between different screw types. This full set ensures you're ready for almost any project without needing additional accessories. The ergonomic handle is designed to reduce hand fatigue, making prolonged use comfortable and efficient. A metal gear housing at the front adds balance and durability, enhancing both stability and performance. Switching between forward and reverse modes is seamless, and the auto-locking chuck ensures the bit stays firmly in place throughout use, increasing both safety and accuracy. Additionally, the complete kit comes in a sturdy, portable case that organizes the driver and bits neatly. This is especially convenient for technicians, DIY hobbyists, or homeowners who want easy access and transportability. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.